Conversation between Ria and Sarah about Republic Day in India.
Do you know when India celebrates Republic Day?
Yes, it's on the 26th of January every year.
Why do we celebrate Republic Day?
We celebrate it to honor the day India's constitution came into effect in 1950.
What is a constitution?
A constitution is a set of rules and principles that guide how a country is governed.
Who wrote India's constitution?
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chief architect of the Indian constitution.
How long did it take to draft the constitution?
It took about 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days.
Wow! That's a long time. Where do the Republic Day celebrations take place?
The main celebrations happen at Rajpath in New Delhi.
What happens during the celebrations?
There's a grand parade, cultural performances, and a display of India's military strength.
Who is the chief guest at the parade?
The President of India presides over the parade, and a foreign dignitary is invited as the chief guest.
Do school students also celebrate Republic Day?
Yes, they do. Many schools organize flag hoisting, cultural events, and patriotic songs.
Why do we hoist the national flag?
The flag represents our pride, unity, and independence.
What are the colors of the Indian flag?
The flag has saffron, white, and green colors with a blue Ashoka chakra in the center.
What does the Ashoka chakra represent?
It represents truth, progress, and righteousness.
Who unfurls the flag on Republic Day at Rajpath?
The President of India unfurls the flag.
Is Republic Day a public holiday?
Yes, it is a national holiday across India.
Do you watch the parade on TV?
Yes, I love watching it every year with my family.
Which part of the parade do you like the most?
I enjoy the cultural tableaus from different states. What about you?
I love the motorcycle stunts performed by the Indian Army.
Oh yes, those are thrilling.
What does the Republic Day parade teach us?
It teaches us about our country's diversity, unity, and strength.
Are there any awards given on Republic Day?
Yes, the President awards the Padma Awards and Bravery Awards.
Who receives bravery awards?
Brave citizens, especially children, who show extraordinary courage.
That's inspiring. How is Republic Day different from Independence Day?
Independence Day celebrates freedom from British rule, while Republic Day celebrates the adoption of the Constitution.
Why is the Constitution important for India?
It ensures democracy, equality, and justice for all citizens.
Do you know who raises the flag on Independence Day?
Yes, it's the Prime Minister of India at the Red Fort.
What is the beating retreat ceremony?
It marks the end of Republic Day celebrations and is held on January 29th.
What happens during the beating retreat?
Bands of the Army, Navy, and Air Force perform patriotic tunes.
Why do we respect our national symbols?
They represent our nation's identity and heritage.
Can you name some national symbols of India?
Sure. The tiger, lotus, peacock, and mango are some national symbols.
What is the role of the president on Republic Day?
The president addresses the nation and unfurls the flag.
Who was the first president of India?
Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India.
What message does Republic Day give us?
It reminds us of our responsibilities as citizens and to uphold our Constitution.
Why do children love Republic Day?
They enjoy the colorful parades, cultural programs, and celebrations in schools.
Do we see any military equipment in the parade?
Yes, tanks, missiles, and aircraft are displayed to show India's defense strength.
What does unity in diversity mean?
It means people of different cultures and religions living together in harmony.
Does Republic Day bring people together?
Yes, it unites everyone with a sense of pride and patriotism.
Why should we learn about Republic Day?
It helps us understand our history, rights, and duties as citizens.
Do you think children should participate in Republic Day events?
Absolutely. It teaches them patriotism and teamwork.
Do schools also have flag hoisting ceremonies?
Yes, the principal hoists the flag, and we all sing the national anthem.
What is the significance of the national anthem?
It symbolizes unity and respect for the country.
What are some ways to celebrate Republic Day at home?
Watching the parade, decorating the house, and listening to patriotic songs.
Why is Republic Day special to you?
It reminds me of the strength and beauty of our country.
Me too. Let's always celebrate it with pride.